Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a starter on a Toyota 4Runner. First, always prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. Gather all your tools, such as a socket set, wrenches, and a jack, before you begin. Locating the starter motor is your initial step, often found near the transmission on the passenger side. This preparation ensures a smoother and safer repair process. Once prepared, safely lift your vehicle using a jack and secure it with sturdy jack stands. You may need to remove a skid plate or other components to gain clear access to the starter. Next, carefully disconnect the main power wire, typically a 12mm nut, and the smaller signal wire from the starter. These connections are crucial to remove before unbolting the unit. With the old starter removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully position the new starter into place and secure it with the two 14mm mounting bolts. Reconnect the electrical wires, ensuring the main power wire and the signal wire are firmly attached. Double-check that all bolts are tightened to the manufacturer's specifications for a reliable connection. After the new starter is installed, carefully lower your vehicle and reconnect the negative battery terminal. Now, it's time for the moment of truth. Attempt to start your engine. Listen for a strong crank and a smooth start. If everything works correctly, you've successfully replaced your starter. Remember to check the description for a link to a great deal on a new e-reader, along with other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.